I had my husband record a video in German to test out Sendspark's AI with German names. So he just recorded that one video and then all of these are generated. I'll just run through the list and play them. And keep in mind, he's not a native German speaker. He just lived there for a few years. So we're using him as the test subject here.
Hallo Max. Offensichtlich spreche ich jetzt. Hallo Ida. Offensichtlich spreche ich jetzt.
The rest of the video is the same, right? It's just the first name that's different.
Hallo Michael. Offensichtlich spreche ich. Hallo Albert. Offensichtlich spreche ich. Hallo Mathilda. Offensichtlich spreche ich jetzt. Hallo Katharina. Offensichtlich spreche ich.
And last one.
Hallo Dirk. Offensichtlich spreche.
So what our AI is trying to do is match the name with the German pronunciation to his accent. So it's still like a little bit Americanized. You can probably tell, but it's more of a German pronunciation than the like normal American pronunciation for Matilda, Katarina, Dirk, but a little bit blended because it's his voice. And of course, you can try this out for yourself and make sure this sounds good to you.